we're in this case, so I don't have to worry about it.
So try it?
As I lash my horses onward with my whip and with my singing. There's no air, so I gasp for every note and every breath, and I sense with fear and rapture I'm near death, so near death. Go more slowly, my dear horses, pay no heed to my whip. I promise you we won't be too long. But the horses they gave me are so restless on this trip, and I've had no time to live, no time to finish my song. Come, my horses, have a drink, drink while I sing to the end. Let us stay a moment longer on the brink, on the brink. What's that sound I keep hearing? Angels shouting for my soul. What's the rush? Our date with God can't wait for one more day. Or is that just the sleigh bell warning me I've lost control? Or is that my voice screaming at the horses to obey? Go more slowly, my dear horses, feel me deep, you will slip. I beg you, don't gallop headlong. But the horses they gave me are so crazy on this trip, and they don't care if I live nor if I finish my song. Come, my horses, one more drink, drink while I sing to the end. Let us stay a moment longer on the brink, on the brink, and then descend.